Heads up, parents out there, online driver's ed or the allowance of permits and other types of licensing without taking a driver's test may not be the best idea. Hey, this is Seth Smiley from the Smiley Law Firm, and this is another edition of the Parents of Teen Drivers Facebook group. And today we're going to be talking about whether or not it's a good idea to allow young teens to take online courses to pass their driver's license test or to get their proper driver's license, or as some things are happening now with the COVID crisis, that people and teens are allowed to get their driver's license without having to take the physical test because of the close interaction with people. And so we want to be very careful. And again, parents are the key, right? The CDC and their website, they have a parents are the key motive that they have going on. And it's very true. And so you want to make sure if your children are getting their licenses with more relaxed requirements, that you are, as the parent, taking control of the situation, outlining rules, maybe getting a parent agreement with their child with regards to driving, or just making sure that you're practicing with them and you're getting out on the road with them and you're making sure that they understand the rules and they're developing their skill set whenever they're behind the wheel, because driving is a privilege and it is a very difficult thing. And, as we all know in this group, that, driving, teenage drivers it's a huge problem, and it's the number one killer of teens in America. And so that's the one thing we want to make sure that we're doing, even though there are relaxed requirements and the teens are able to get their licenses. Like I know Georgia allowed a whole group of teens to get their license without taking the physical road requirement, and I think Texas is allowing it to where that they can take their permitting and registration tests online. And so we want to make sure that they're still getting the same instruction and learning the same things behind the wheel. So again, Seth Smiley with the Smiley Law Firm, and this is another edition of the Parents of Teen Drivers Facebook group. If anybody has any questions or comments about things that they've seen in their state, or other things that they've seen going on where it may not be the best idea, please feel free to leave some information below, and I'm happy to answer those questions, or I can go out and do the research and try to get some good information for you. But that's what we're here for. Thank you very much.